porn. That law essentially makes it illegal to publish sexually explicit images of someone who didn't give consent.
Our Emily Sinovic spoke to the convicted criminal. And Emily, he says this is a law that's unconstitutional.
Well, he tells me these are copyrighted porn videos. He tells me he has every right to post these videos wherever he wants. He actually had a lot to say when he caught us by surprise today. At first, I went to interview Sergeant Bob Ray about the case.
You use the internet with the intent to harass, embarrass, or basically, demean someone. And there's sexually explicit material where you can identify the other person who has not given their consent. That's essentially the threshold that if a person crosses that, they're violating the law.
So even posting it on Facebook?
Yes, even if the video was taken consensually.
But as our interview was wrapping up, one thing I might ask you about really quick, I don't know if you guys... The man convicted of revenge porn just shows up.
My name is Benjamin Barber.
Okay, and were you just recently convicted?
I certainly was.
What was the crime?
Revenge porn.
He wanted to defend himself.
There was a lot of evidence that was not included into the testimony, specifically like the fact that we were both advertising to produce porn commercially.
He says he's the victim. She's saying she may have consented at the time, but that doesn't make it okay to blast that video or those videos everywhere and continue to spread those videos. You disagree?
She was actually the one that tried to use them against me initially for the purposes of blackmail.
Devil's advocate here, a lot of people will listen to you and say, it sounds like a bunch of excuses and this guy just seems creepy.
Yeah, I understand people are going to think I look creepy. I have a blown out eye.
Not because of how you look, but because of what you've done.
Oh. Well, okay, so if I go saying that I want to make porn, ask people to get paid for making porn, and then complain that the porn that I ask people to pay me for is then public, do I have a right to be embarrassed?
Okay, so he tells me he is now suing the state of Oregon, but he may have to do it from jail. He's been sentenced to 6 months in jail. Reporting live, I'm Emily Sinovic, KOINE 6 News.
Yeah, and fascinating that he actually talked with you, Emily. Thank you. A report out today shows new regulations in the cannabis industry are having a catastrophic